Hi guys, I'm in Menlo Park today and checking out another green home in the area. Meeting with Bill Lax, a local contractor here, a wonderful quality builder. And I can't show you the front of the house unfortunately today because of the security purposes, or privacy I should say, right? But we'll go around the back and I'll let you meet Bill and he'll explain to us everything what's going on inside the house and some of the features and everything. How much effort really went into building a home like this. So I think you'll enjoy it. It's a pretty cool project. So let's go inside and we'll learn more.
Hi, I'm Bill Lax. I've been in the construction business in California for 35 years. I do my own design, my architectural design, and I basically emphasize the construction as to be the safest possible, and also emphasizing on recycle and green building. I'm here to show you a house that was recently finished, which is has 136 points of green buildings, and we did as much as we could with the space that we had. We have recycled most of the materials that she had. The water we have in this area here, we have a recycle system that we capture all the rainwater. Below this planter, we have a 3,000-gallon container that is going to work with pumps, and it's going to be drip irrigation. There's going to be absolutely no lawn on this property. We recycle all the brickwork that she had in the house. We recycled some of the stone that she had on the house. Basically, we have a system of drainage in this, and it goes to a storage tank.
All right, Bill. So what you mentioned you recycled actually.
Yeah, we recycle on the house all the wood that was donated. We recycle the shingles, the concrete. We save the bricks and pavers that she had on the landscaping. We save all the plants that she had on the landscaping. We save the dirt that she had, so we can reuse the dirt for planting. All the house contents of the existing house were donated to the recycle people.
Yeah, and she got a nice, pretty big tax rebate.
And she got a nice tax rebate. We have solar panels also, which she gets a tax credit. We have the water heaters, which are instant hot water. They also have a tax credit, each one of the tanks. Basically, we use in everything that she can get on tax credits for this house. Okay, and the insulation, we exceeded 25% of the Title 24 on insulation. The walls, we have foam insulation, which is 5.5 inches of insulation. All the interior walls have recycled jean material insulation.
Denim, yeah?
Denim, yes.
And what is this? You said new material you have here that you used.
Okay, on this particular floor, we have two layers. The first layer is Canuf, which is a product comes from Canada. It's made out of fiberglass fibers, but the process different.
I see.
So,
okay.
And then under this particular layer, there's another layer of denim product recycled.
I see. Double. Okay.
So it's a double layer of insulation.
All right. Yeah.
On this house, we have a solar attic fan that extracts the heat from the attic. We also have a fan that they can operate from here. If ever the house gets too hot on the second floor,
okay.
All they do is turn.
And it sucks all the hot air out.
It takes the air from the inside of the house and recirculates it out of the house. Really? So those are features that most houses don't have, okay? But it does help her and helps her environment too.
So Bill, I'm always curious, why did your client decide to build green and spend all this extra money to do what she did? What would you say? Well,
one of the reasons is she's very much into conservation. She likes to, even from her car that she drives a Prius, you know, which is an energy efficient car.
Of course.
And she likes also to have a house that is up to date with environmental products. That's why we recycle it. Instead of taking the house and demo the house and throw everything to the garbage,
Right.
we recycle every content of the house.
Right, yeah. And would you say, was it much more expensive for her
Yes,
to build green?
Yes.
And how much more? Would you say in a percentage?
In percentage, she probably has about 15 to 20%, depending upon how much green.
Really?
Yeah.
What about the quality overall of the house? Do you feel it will last longer than, you know, maybe?
This house will last longer. First of all, the materials that we use in the interior, all the drywall is 5/8 of an inch, which prevents, it gives a 20-minute advantage on fire. The exterior of the house is also fiber cement, so it also helps her for that.
So I'm curious, Bill, you know, you mentioned she did spend 15 maybe to 20 even % higher than what it would spend on the standard construction. So that's, you know, that's quite a tab. How in her mind, you know, does a homeowner justify higher costs like this for building green?
It's basically a personal satisfaction that she's done a greenhouse and helps the environment.